the volume of this shape here, okay, the volume of that piece here, this is going to be rotated around the x-axis. So we're going to generate kind of like this donut shape. Okay, we're going to end up with this donut shape here. And if we take slices this way, we're going to get dx slices. And the slices this way will generate washers. So we're going to end up having the outside, this red line represents the outside radius of that circle. The green line then represents the inside radius of that circle. So we want the big circle minus the small circle, which I've done here. So the volume is going to be pi times big R squared minus small r squared. I subtract those areas, I get the area of the washer shape, okay, the disc with the hole in it. So then I'm going to integrate that from, they give you from along the x-axis from x equals 3 to x equals 5. I'm going to use a dx because I'm going to use dx slices. And when I plug those functions in, g and f, I get those expressions. And I've expanded this all out here. So it's a big, long expansion here. Okay, so I'll just zoom in a little bit so if you can want to take a closer look at that. Okay, I think I've expanded that correctly. I'll have to maybe double check later, but once I've done that, I can see that there's lots of things that cancel out. Okay, x4 minus x4. Okay, I've got 2x cubes here. Sorry, negative 8x cubes. I've got 2 negative 8x cubes I'm subtracting, so those will cancel out. Okay, I've got a plus 64x squared, plus 64x squared. Those will cancel. What else do I have? I think that's about it. So I'm going to just start collecting my like terms here. So the volume is going to be equal to x is 3 to 5. My highest power is cubed, so these cancel out. 13x squared cancel out. I'm going to end up with negative. So I have positive 17, positive 17. Okay, just making sure that those are actually going to cancel. I get positive 13x squared here, and well, these are not going to cancel, sorry. Just fix that. So I'm going to end up with, this is going to be negative 13x, or these are both positive actually. Those are going to be positive, positive here. So I'm going to get 26x squareds minus, I'm just going to write that in, 26x squared minus 34x squared. Those are my x squared terms. 104, so 208x. And then I'm going to have minus a negative, so plus 272x. Then I have plus 169 minus 189. That's going to be minus 120 dx. Okay, I'm going to simplify that. 3 to 5, that's going to be negative 12, sorry, negative 8 x squared. Okay, that's going to be plus 64x. Don't forget my pi in there. I forgot a pi in here. Okay, so make sure I have my pi in here. And then minus 120 dx. There we go. Now I can integrate this. So it's going to be pi times negative 8x cubed over 3 plus 64x squared over 2. So it's going to be 32x minus 120x. And that's going to be integrated from 3 to 5. Okay, so when I plug that all in, I'm going to end up with a value of, let's see here. Well, I'll plug it all in and I'll calculate and I'll put it on the next video.